In this video, you're going to learn how to choose a kitchen design and remodel. It may seem overwhelming at first, but today we're going to break it down to a few basic elements you'll need to think about. First off, consider the four basic kitchen designs like this one with an island. There's also galley, U-shaped, and L-shaped. This is your biggest decision right here, so you should make it your first. You can get inspiration from and visualize your ideas using all kinds of things such as kitchen design software, idea scrapbooks you may have, magazines, or even friends' kitchens that you really like. When planning your dream kitchen, consider your work triangle, the space you cover from stove to sink to refrigerator. What is the most natural and convenient for you? Meet with the kitchen design expert early on to get advice on other options, such as the best place to put appliances and what kind of countertops you should use that would really work well with your kitchen. Getting advice like this early on can really help you get a kitchen that you'll love. Once you've decided on a basic kitchen layout and your appliances, it's a good time to visit a showroom. There you can touch and feel the appliances, countertop surfaces, and fixtures and really see if they live up to your expectations. You'll also get some fantastic ideas for planning your dream kitchen. Above all else, your kitchen should save you time and effort and be an enjoyable place to spend time with your family. With that in mind, take inventory of your kitchen's appliances and tools. Hanging pots and pans from above, for example, can be a great space saver, but if you're on the short side and you cook a lot, this may not be the best option. Think of the things that you use the most and make sure that they're easy to get access to. And don't forget about your storage needs. Make sure that you have a place for everything. Take, for example, the coffee maker. Do you want it out on the counter, or do you want a good place to store it in, like an appliance garage? Our kitchen designers at Marble Unlimited can really help you understand all of your options when it comes to planning your dream kitchen. If you're ready to get started and claim your free consultation, then give us a call now at the number below to schedule a time that works for you. We'll help you get a kitchen that you and your family will love. Until next time, have fun and enjoy planning your dream kitchen.